Welcome everybody. It is Crypto Moose and it's time to get loose. Mitchell Bouchard, your crypto and NFT investor. What we're going to do on this episode is show you how you can customize your ADA handle. So for those of you that haven't done one already, I'm also going to show you how you can mint an ADA handle. It won't be a tutorial for that, but it will be a tutorial for how to customize your ADA handle. Okay, so if you do get something out of this, make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe. That's one way you can keep up with this channel. Also, comment down below, what is your ADA handle? And let me know if you'd want to see more content like this, specifically Cardano tutorials. So what we're going to do is we are going to start off with showing you how you can mint an ADA handle. So the website we're going to go to is mint.handle.me. Okay, so it's mint.handle.me. So all you're going to have to do, and I believe I've done a video on this, so if you go to the channel, put in ADA handle. There you go, ADA handle tutorial. So if you want, you could watch, that was like a year ago. I don't know what, the moose is getting too loose there. Like the moose has just gotten much less loose. So I've done a few videos, how to mint an ADA handle 8 months ago, probably watch that one. And I've already done a first look at this. So what an ADA handle is ultimately is an NFT in your wallet that you can use as a name to represent your address. So in the case that you want to receive some crypto, what you can do is send someone your ADA handle. So this is the wallet we're going to be using today. And you can see one sticking out here. But at the end of the day, if you go here to like Crypto Mitch, $ Crypto Mitch, if you send tokens to this ADA handle, it's going to go into my wallet. So on my Trezor Model T, I own these NFTs that are represented visually on pool.pm. So if you go to pool.pm, you could go here and search. You could put, $ loose moose, and because I own that NFT, now whatever ADA assets are sent to that address. So here it's $ loose moose. So because I own that, I can also customize it, right? So that's what we're going to do in this video. I'm going to show you how to customize. Okay. So if you want to mint and get one, I recommend it because it's not just to customize, but to have one. Because if you ever want to find your wallet online, especially on pool.pm, or just to easily send it to someone so you could receive some ADA, mint an ADA handle and have a name, right? It's much easier than trying to remember or write down your public address. So here you're just going to go to mint a handle. Put I'm not a robot. Oh, I'm going to fail this. Okay, so here you're going to type, for example, Moose channel. Let's say you have like a crypto channel. So this one, we're going to find out if it's available or not. So it is. This one I could buy and mint. So I like the idea of a name. So whoever is Crypto Moose, by the way, sell me that. I've made offers. Don't make me come after you. So George is loose, whatever you want, right? So you could type in whatever you want. The sooner the better. You can also go to JPEG Store and pick one up on the aftermarket. Okay, so that's how you would pick up your handle. So basically, you're just going to put in something that's available. Let's put like Crypto Mitchell, which is pretty long. It's probably available. There you go. So click buy handle. You'll reserve it, and then you're just going to send a certain amount. I've already covered that in other videos. So now what we're going to do is show you how to do personalization. So go to the main page, go under personalization. So it's handle.me. Again, go to handle.me. And what we're going to do is connect our wallet. Make sure you're not connected elsewhere. That might mess this up. So select a handle. I've already got my wallet connected. If you want to, just go to the top right. I'll disconnect. Or am I already connected through? I'm already connected up here. So you're going to connect here, right? And these are all the handles I have. You can disconnect, but I'm not going to. All you have to do is go to the top right and connect your wallet. You guys know how to do that. You guys are smart. So we're going to select a handle that we want to customize. Okay, so I'm going to show you how you can customize your handles. Best coffee. I don't want to mess too much with anything. So the goal is to make something like the loose moose. Let's say Mitchell.crypto. Okay, that's simple. I'll upgrade that for you guys. So now we're just going to hit upgrading. And I'm going to show you everything that you can do with this. So I recommend having your social media links ready. For me, I have my link tree over here. So that's really cool. So handle.me, this app requires a signature. So we're going to sign, confirm. So I'm going to do this with my Trezor. That's the point. If you guys have not already picked up a hardware wallet, you guys know better. You have to have enough ADA. So make sure you have at least like 15, 20 ADA and set collateral if you're using a NAMI. I highly recommend it. So upgrading, waiting for confirmation on chain. This is why you got to make a nice coffee. Just chill out with the moose, you know. What you're going to do next is you're going to hit continue. So once you're there, you're going to see this dashboard and it looks really cool. So let's dive into how you can design your ADA handle from scratch. So you got this designer page and you have a couple options. So remember what your goal is. For me, the goal is going to be, sending more people to Crypto Moose, the YouTube channel, maybe to pick up the Loose Moose NFT. So that's kind of my mindset. 4 ADA have left this wallet. So you want to make sure that you have enough ADA in your wallet for these transactions. The first thing we're going to do, we're not going to do anything with this PFP. We're going to go to background. So if you want a color, I think it's kind of a cool idea, specifically if you want this to stand out. So here you're going to do favorite colors, and we're going to select one. So here we can toggle and move the color around. So for this one, I'm thinking of keeping it kind of similar to the other one, but I want to change the color for sure. So maybe we'll go like red or orange. I want it to be light enough. So somewhere here, maybe between orange and yellow. So let's go here. Maybe a little bit darker. Yeah, nice orange. So we're going to click save at the bottom. And then we could also change the border color. Okay, so basically whatever changes you're making, you're going to have to pay for, but the fees aren't bad. So here we can go with the darker color. We can go with a little bit of a fall off, like a little bit of a lighter kind of orange. Or we could just go white, or again, white or black would just kind of look good here. So here we'll save that. So now we have some favorite colors saved. Let's save some colors. Go to this orange here. So I like this. I like this. So we're going to keep that. I think that looks cool. And, you want to find something maybe that pops out. So, again, if you guys watch this channel, you can put $Mitchell.crypto and, you'll be able to get my links here. So what else do we have? We have text. So let's get to the text. Here we can add a little shadow. Okay, so I don't think it does too much. The ribbon, I don't care for that much. This will just save you some ADA at checkout kind of thing. The next one, socials. This is big for me. Crypto brand, you're kind of going to want to play with something like this. So we're going to add some socials. So here we're going to add social links. And here we're going to go to website. This will be, the YouTube channel. So for URL, we'll just, not even YouTube channel, we'll use our link tree. So I'm going to grab my link tree link and I'm going to paste it. And I'm going to put the link tree. Let's do Crypto Moose. Save. Boom. Add another link. Here, we're not going to do that, but we can do an email. I got a public email. So the email will go to cryptomoosechannel@gmail.com. And that will be the email. Email business only. So I've already done this before with this wallet. So it saves some of that. And then we could also add something like Twitter. So for the Twitter, you're going to see this. Authorize app. So yes, we will authorize the app. It's at Moose YouTube. So because I'm logged in, I can now link those two together. So really cool. I'm really liking that. And yeah, now everything's being added to our checkout. So if we go to portal, we can kind of get an idea here. So we got Design your page. Choose an option below to determine how to display your handle page. So we have it like this. So we have address, gallery, social list. I think I want the social list. Gallery, we don't have any images or anything. Personalized NFT, yes. So when somebody looks at it. And that's about it. So now we're just going to go back to designer and make sure it looks nice. Okay. We got our socials. And we're going to enable the socials. So check them. And you can see them in the bottom left here. So I like that a lot. Okay. And then you're also going to go to QR. So the QR code, we're going to keep it black. It looks fine. But we're going to send that to the link tree. Okay. So we could also do wallet address, but it makes sense for somebody to see a link tree because I got, referral codes. I've got, online courses, stuff like that. So it's kind of a cool idea. Okay. So we'll go through again. Backdrop, we like. Text is really nice. Text, you could add that. The ribbon's nice, but why spend it if you don't want it or need it? We could also change the background color to that. That does look good. Let's do it. It's on the moose's pocket anyways. So now we'll check out. Okay, so double, triple check your links. My links look good here. Nothing wrong. So 10 ADA, not bad. So here we're going to create transaction. Gathering transaction details. Let's get loose. So building transaction, do not close out of this page until a transaction is signed. So definitely a big fan of this. So now it's going to cost 10.58 ADA. We're going to confirm this. And we're getting loose, baby. We're getting loose. So guys, also check out this link tree if you want. This is a good time for me to throw it in there. So again, you guys need a hardware wallet. Guys, save up to 25%. I got codes for whatever hardware wallet you want. I mean, guys, like you need a hardware wallet to protect yourself. Whether you get a Tangem, Ledger, or you build one yourself, I don't care. I want you guys to protect yourself. So hold, confirm transaction, bam. Getting loose, baby, getting loose. This is how you mint a custom ADA handle. When you guys see this, you will be abashed. You're going to get loose. You're going to get loose. You're going to feel what it's like to be like the moose for one moment of your life. You just got to mint a custom ADA handle. I'm not even getting paid. They should be paying me. And there we go. Mitchell.crypto, your new NFT. Let's get loose, baby. So now even from here, you can re-customize things. You can change it. So if we go here to our wallet, there we go. We got our Mitchell.crypto. We just lost some ADA, so it's okay. I make ADA in terms of dividends. So if we click this, also, I got my phone. So just to share with you guys, let me show you something. This is my home page on my phone. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the camera. All right. So now I got the camera. You guys can see the moose. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to scan this. So I'm going to scan with my camera, open in Brave. There we go. So by scanning that QR code, you guys can get to my link tree even easier. So I like this one, Mitchell.crypto. So this is the first one I made. I'm definitely rocking or definitely liking this one. This one's really dope. So whatever colors you guys like, definitely drop in your ADA handle. I want to check it out. So if you guys do make a custom ADA handle, drop your ADA handle. I might send you something special. I might airdrop you a Loose Moose NFT. You know, you can imagine a future where that's your face for your business or your brand. So I have the Loose Moose one. I want to get Crypto Moose. But I also own Best Coffee, because if you're a coffee shop, you might on your website want to tell people, hey, send to $Best Coffee, right? And on that, I could customize like a QR code. Or what I could do is I could do, for example, maybe open up a Shopify coffee brand and I call it Best Coffee. And I could have people send ADA to my wallet. So Moose may become a billionaire. We don't know. So here's some other ones that I have. just to keep this a little fun. I do have quite a few. So I have like live concert, learning crypto. I have Terry Fox, so I have ticket sale. So maybe people are using ADA in the future to buy tickets, and they're gonna send, they're gonna have to send the funds to the Moose. Online course. I own Red Cape. I own pop music. So Apple, if you want pop music, I also own rap music and like country music. So if you guys want that, better send me a couple mil. So I own those. That's kind of something fun, right? Before we close, guys, go to the link tree. You guys know how to get there. Should definitely know how to get there. Also, February 29th, if you guys go to the Knights Guild, there's a charity mint. So this is the 5th mint. I'm part of the guild, so the Moose Skin Loose here. Guys, mint a breastplate. Definitely something that's really cool. Great team. It's part of the Knights Guild. Guys, join the Knights Guild if you're a fan of Kopi. You guys can also mint an ADA plate, Loose Moose NFT. We have hardware wallets. Save up to 25% off. Guys, we got Tangem affiliate link. This is coupon code or discount code Moose, Moose. Save you 25% off. We got Kivo links. We've got Trezor links. We got Ledger links. We got links for it all. So this will save you some money and save the Moose some money down the road. We also have a free Cardano mini course and a bunch of Udemy courses. So I have over 500,000 students there. People have been loving it. The free ADA course people have been liking a lot, and it's free. So with that being said, the Moose is loose, and drop down your ADA handles. I want to see your custom NFT. Cheers, everyone.